Hi guys, so the plan is to take apart this RXZ engine and clean the most of it, but look at all this mess, so I don't have a workbench to actually sit and work on it. So let me go ahead and quickly clean it. 1, 2. Okay, so in this episode we are going to take apart the RXZ engine. So I've already taken apart the side covers on both the side. It's not that complicated to take the side covers, so, and since we have done it multiple times, so I'm not going to repeat that. However, I'll show you how to take apart the magnet and other stuff. So we are also going to clean it. It is little dirty. To remove the magnet you need a special tool. Before that we need to take care of this crank bolt. So there is another special tool that is used for removing the locking the magnet on. So I'm going to use that. Okay, so that's it. Its job is over. So there's a washer. Be little careful with the washer. And there's a spring washer and there's a normal washer. So these three things. So what I do is I keep a pan like this, and then I can put all the stuff. So the magnet is out, as you can see. This is one of the toughest things to remove on an RX 135, specifically. RX100 has a different type of tool. This is how the tool looks like. Once you remove the magnet, the most important thing that you need to take care of is the woodruff key. That is one guy that gets lost very easily. So this is how it looks like. So next stop is I'm going to remove the coil, and most important, whenever you're taking an RX apart, you need an impact screwdriver like this one. Now we can just lift off this. There is a small clip here, so be careful, don't rip it apart. So this goes into safekeeping. I need to repair the neutral wire as well. We will take apart the cylinder. For that we need a 14 mm ring spanner. So now, just to take the cylinder out, let's put this upward. So yeah, that's a cylinder. From the looks of it, the piston doesn't look bad actually. If you can see from this particular angle, it's just oil. And I can see the factory cross hatching on the piston. So it looks like this was a recent boring job. So let's see what else we can find. So taking this circlip out is not an easy task. So you need some special nose pliers for that, but this is not the right one for the job. The problem is these things are very springy, so they have a good chance of jumping out. So now once you have taken that out, all you need to do is just put something in and tap it out. I have a clutch holder which is of the perfect size, so I'll tap it from this side, but be very careful. If you tap it too much, you will mess up the balance of the crank. So I'll anyways change this. I bought new one, and this is the piston. This is 0.75. From the inside also it doesn't look like, it is very dirty, but I don't know which brand is this. JP. Okay, story with the crank is not good. Also I have to remove this. So tomorrow I'm going to the city. I'll get the crank repaired and we'll try to finish this engine tomorrow itself. See, if you see, there is lateral play and there is noise. Okay, moving on. So we'll move on to this side and start taking things apart. First we need to take out the clutch. For that, you need an 8mm T-spanner, or an 8mm socket will also do. So that's the clutch top cover out. These actually look good. This is an important thing, the clutch plunger. So usually I misplace those. Okay, now there is this special tool. It's a clutch lock that we put inside in here, and you have to be very careful while you're opening it because you don't want to break anything. So once you remove this nut, the pressure plate comes out and the clutch gasket. This has seen better days. If you can see, there is a lot of grooves formed there. There is this thrust washer, then there is a collar. Let me take that. So this is the right tool. So what happens is, if you press, the circlip goes out. This is the other way around. So you install it here and that's it. The circlip is out, and that's one idling wheel out. There is a small washer here also. There is a similar circlip below. Need to take that also out. Okay. Next one is this. We have to take the lock off from the other side. So for this we need a flathead screwdriver. You poke it here and the lock is out. Okay. If you see, somebody has done their kalakari here as well. Okay, now we need to get the crank out. Okay, so we need to lock the crank. Okay. Then so the crank primary gear is off, and there is another woodruff key here. Again, goes without saying, need to be careful. Okay, so the crank is split, and there's the gearbox. Okay, so the gearbox is out. Let's take the crank out. So you need to hold the crank like this in your hand, hit it. So if you hear that noise, that means the crank is bad. Hear that noise? Okay.